Life can be confusing, science makes it clearer, like looking through a telescope or looking in a mirror. You have lots of questions and we don't know what you'll find, so get into the data and into a scientific state of mind.
Hi, my name's Collin. I like to read, ride my bike, and play video games. All of these are possible because of science. Welcome to Kai-Sci, where children and science come together.
Hello everybody, today we're at Vassar College in the Physics and Astronomy department, and we're going to talk about the Christmas pickle. Come on, let's go! Hi everyone. Hi Mom.
Hi Colin. How are you doing today?
Great.
Hey, have you ever heard of the legend of the Christmas pickle?
Yes, I have.
Can you tell me about it?
Well, on Christmas Eve, grown-ups hide the pickle ornament in the Christmas tree and make sure it's well hidden. Then, on Christmas, the children try to find the Christmas pickle, and whichever child finds it first gets a special present.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Yes, it is.
And you know, we always light up the Christmas tree with pretty Christmas lights.
Uh-huh.
I have an idea. Would you like to do a science experiment?
Yeah!
How about we light up a pickle?
That sounds great, but dangerous.
Yes, it can be dangerous, so everybody should make sure that they have a grown-up to help for this experiment.
Exactly.
Ready to get started?
Yep, let's go.
Let's go.
For this experiment, you will need an AC power supply with a switch, some pickles, the saltier the better, and an insulating dish.
Insert the electrodes into each end of the pickle, making sure that they do not touch. Then place the pickle onto the insulating dish.
The dish keeps the electricity from leaving the pickle.
Make sure the power switch is turned off before you plug the power supply into the outlet. Then go ahead and plug it in and turn on the power switch. If you have an adjustable voltage dial, you can turn this up until the pickle begins to glow.
Whoa, that's really awesome, Mom!
Don't allow the pickle to glow for more than about 10 seconds.
How does it work?
When we insert the wires into the pickle and turn on the power, we create an electric potential. That means one end of the wire has a positive charge and the other end has a negative one. The pickle has been soaked in a brine solution, filled with sodium and chloride ions that come from salt. The positive ions are attracted to the negative end of the wire, and the negative ions are attracted to the positive end of the wire. When an electron travels through the wire and reaches the pickle, a process called electrolysis happens, where the hydrogen and hydroxide ions are separated out of water. Hydroxide has a negative charge. It gets repelled from the electron, and the sodium and chloride ions help to carry it through the solution to the other end of the wire. When it reaches the other end, it becomes attracted to the positively charged wire. The extra electron gets removed and transfers to the wire. This is how ions help to create an electric current through the solution in the pickle.
Why does it glow yellow, Mom?
Good question. As the current travels through the pickle, it transfers energy. There's enough energy to excite the electrons that belong to the sodium atoms. But they can't stay excited for long, so they have to lose energy again. They do this by letting go of a photon. That's a tiny little piece of light. The color of the light has to do with the amount of energy that is released. The light that's released from sodium is always yellow.
Wow, that's really neat.
So what did you think about that, Colin?
That was awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we have a couple of pickles here.
Mhm.
They got kind of cooked.
Mhm.
You want to try to eat one?
Mm-mm.
No. No, you probably shouldn't try to eat the pickle after you do this experiment. They got kind of warm though. You want to feel?
Mhm. That one not so much.
That one cooled off a little bit, but this one is kind of warm still. And that's because there was resistance built up inside of the pickle. And so it got warm inside.
Cool.
So that's something that you can tell about resistance in a circuit, is when something warms up. When it heats up, there's a lot of resistance. So did you have fun?
Mhm.
Good. Wish everybody Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
The earth goes round the sun, but can you prove it? This desk has chewing gum. What will remove it? I don't know, but I have a guess, and I'll test my hypothesis. Life can be confusing, science makes it clearer. When you're seeking answers, science brings them nearer. You don't need a lab coat or big goggles all the time. Just get into the data and into a scientific state of mind. My bike may start to rust. Can I prevent that? Our bones need phosphorus. How do we get that? I don't know, but I have a guess, and I'll test my hypothesis. Life can be confusing, science makes it clearer, like looking through a telescope or looking in a mirror. You have lots of questions and we don't know what you'll find, so get into the data and into a scientific state of mind. I have a mobile phone. Does it cause cancer? Is this a chicken bone or something fancier? I don't know, but I have a guess, and I'll test my hypothesis. Life can be confusing, science makes it clearer. When you're seeking answers, science brings them nearer. You don't need a lab coat or big goggles all the time. Just get into the data and into a scientific state of mind. Confusing, science makes it clearer. When you're seeking answers, science brings them nearer. You don't need a lab coat or big goggles all the time. Just get into the data and into a scientific state of mind.